Hi everyone, I am Dharmaveera. I have done my BE Engineering in Brindavan College of Engineering, Bangalore in the year of 2020. I am basically from civil background, so that I don't have knowledge on what is testing and what is programming languages. So when I joined Qspiders, here I got the knowledge on what is testing, what is coding and all. Here all the lecturers are very much supportive and helpful. And now I got job in a company called Rebus Infosystem Private Limited. My package is 2.5 LPA. When I joined QSpiders, I was a bit nervous and scared. But here all the lecturers are very much supportive and helpful. They conducted a lot of grooming sessions, and they taken mock rating. Those are all helped me a lot in order to crack my interview and also to build my communication skills and as well as technical skills. So I would like to thank all the faculties and HRs. Here HRs also, they are very much supportive and helpful. They have given me a lot of requirements and lot of the confidence when I was down. So at the end, because of QSpiders, I have a job now. Thank you everyone. Thank you QSpiders.